because I'm filled in a room where it's full of love and support, not just akin, but to the rest of the girls, and that means a lot to me. Well, I just performed Woman, and to be honest, listen ka ba? Mahimong babae, oy! Not invalidate all men and other people in the spectrum, but di lali mahimong babae. And also, speaking of Woman, another reason, so the reason